Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we're going deeper than ever into the world of Quotex, and more specifically, how this Quotex trading bot is helping traders generate consistent signals day after day without needing years of trading experience. Whether you're completely new or already familiar with Quotex, this video is going to give you a full understanding of how this bot works, how to use it, and most importantly, how to use it the smart way. Now, before we dive in, let's take a look at the current balance. We'll be opening the top paying pairs and taking one trade in each to demonstrate the accuracy of the bot across multiple assets. Then we'll select our time frame and let the bot do what it does best, analyze the markets and give us clear, confident signals. So let's start from the top. How does the Quotex bot actually work? It's simple. Once you access the bot through the link in the description, you'll open it directly on Telegram. From there, just type Generate. The bot instantly gives you options to choose between multiple trading assets, currencies, crypto, commodities, stocks, and indices. After that, you'll select your preferred asset, like EUR, USD, or BTC USD. Then choose your time frame, 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even 15 minutes. Once you've made your selections, the bot runs its analysis in real time, studying live price data, volatility, and technical indicators, and sends you an accurate trade signal, up or down. That's it. The bot handles all the analysis for you. Now, the real power behind this system lies in its data-driven structure. This bot doesn't rely on guesses, news, or emotions. It's built around mathematical models that process market behavior faster than any human possibly could. When the market changes, the bot adapts instantly, meaning you're always trading with the latest data. Let's talk about why this matters. If you've traded manually on Quotex before, you know how easy it is to make emotional decisions. Maybe you've taken a bad trade, then jumped into another one out of frustration. Or maybe you've been scared to take a good trade because of a recent loss. This emotional cycle destroys more accounts than bad strategies ever will, but the bot removes that completely. It doesn't care about winning or losing. It just reads data, applies logic, and gives you the highest probability trade possible. Think about it. Humans can analyze 1 or 2 charts at a time, but a bot can process hundreds of candles across multiple assets in seconds. It looks for patterns, confirmations, and movements that most traders simply can't see in real time. That's where your edge comes from. And what makes this Quotex bot so powerful is its simplicity. You don't need to install anything complicated. No API connections, no subscriptions. Everything happens inside Telegram. That means you can trade on your laptop, phone, or even tablet anywhere, anytime. As long as you have access to the internet, you can generate signals and take trades on the spot. Now, let's talk about accuracy and consistency, the 2 pillars of profitable trading. Most new traders chase accuracy. They want 100% wins, which doesn't exist. But professional traders focus on consistency, winning slightly more than you lose over and over again. That's what creates long-term growth. The Quotex bot gives you that consistency. It's built to find high-probability entries, not random predictions. Even if it's giving you a 70–80% accuracy rate, that's more than enough to grow an account steadily when you manage risk correctly. Speaking of risk management, this is where you can turn a small balance into something powerful. Let's say you start with just $50. You don't need to go all in. You can trade 2 to 3% per signal and still grow your account over time. This is where compounding comes into play. Small, smart wins add up faster than you think. For example, 10 consistent wins using small percentages can easily double your account if done correctly. The key is patience. Now here's something most people don't realize. The Quotex bot doesn't just analyze basic indicators like RSI or moving averages. It combines multiple factors including candle patterns, volume, volatility spikes, and breakout confirmations. So when it tells you buy or sell, that signal is backed by dozens of calculations happening behind the scenes in milliseconds. This is why traders are seeing higher consistency, because it's not a guess. It's a pattern-based prediction. And the more data the bot processes, the sharper its performance becomes over time. Let's take a moment to talk about timing and discipline. Even the best signal won't help if you're overtrading or ignoring timing. That's why it's important to stick to specific trading sessions. The bot performs best when volatility is balanced, during London, New York, or even OTC sessions when the markets are active. The great thing is that Quotex has OTC trading available all day, which means you can use the bot even when global markets are closed. And remember, the goal isn't to take 100 trades a day. The goal is to take a few high-quality trades, ones that fit the data and have a clear edge. That's what professional traders do, and it's how the bot is designed to work. Now let's talk about mindset, something no one tells you about in binary trading. If you treat trading like gambling, you'll always lose. But if you treat it like a data-driven business, you'll start to see progress. Every trade the bot gives you is a probability, not a guarantee. Your job is to take enough of those high-probability setups to let math work in your favor. It's not about one lucky trade. It's about consistency, structure, and patience. Now let's talk about something even more important: automation as the future of trading. The truth is, manual trading is slowly fading. More and more traders are turning to AI and automation tools because they understand one thing: data beats emotion. And this Quotex bot is part of that new wave of automation, smart, accessible, and built for traders who want results without the stress of overanalyzing charts all day. Imagine waking up, running your bot, checking a few pairs, getting your signals, and being done with your trading for the day, all in 20 minutes. That's what real trading freedom looks like. You don't need to stare at charts for hours anymore. And the best part? The bot works equally well for both small and large accounts. It doesn't matter if you're trading $20 or $2,000, the process stays the same. The data doesn't care about your balance. It just cares about market behavior. Now let's quickly cover something most traders overlook: the psychology of letting go of control. When people first start using bots, they often try to outthink the bot. They second-guess signals, they skip trades, or they take extra ones out of greed. But the moment you learn to trust the system and follow it with discipline, that's when things start to change. The bot is consistent. It's humans who break consistency. So the real skill here is learning to stay out of your own way. And yes, this bot is 100% free to use right now. You can access it instantly through the link in the description and start testing signals for yourself. There's no harm in testing it, even in demo mode on Quotex. In fact, that's the best way to build confidence before going live. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always test strategies, manage your risk, and use proper money management. The goal here is to trade smarter, not harder. If you've made it this far in the video, you're already more committed than most traders who give up after a few losses. The difference between success and failure in trading isn't luck. It's consistency and mindset. And that's exactly what this bot helps you build. So, if you're ready to take the next step, hit the link in the description, open the Quotex bot on Telegram, type generate, choose your asset and time frame, and let the bot do the heavy lifting. Join the community of traders who are already using this system daily. You'll start to understand what data-backed trading truly feels like: calm, confident, and structured. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment bot below to get early access to updates.